friends, welcome to Sharon's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make bread pakoras which will be very tasty to eat with tea in the evenings. So if you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. Now I am going to make the batter first, and then whatever ingredients I will mix, that I will tell, and make the pakoras ready. So first of all I am going to make the batter ready. That is, the batter is made from besan. So I have taken with this measurement 1 bowl of besan, 1 pinch of baking soda, 1 spoon chili powder, salt to taste, now I will put some water and mix the batter. Not very thin, not very thick. My batter is ready. You can see my batter is ready. Now I'll keep this aside, and for the stuffing of the bread pakora, I have boiled 5 small potatoes which I have mashed and kept. Now I will fry the mashed potatoes and then I will make the pakoras. I have taken about 10 slices of bread which I am going to make the bread pakoras. I will cut the bread into 2 pieces in the triangular shape. Now for the stuffing for the bread pakoras, I will put some cumin seeds, that is jeera, put some ginger cut up fine, garlic also cut up fine, onions also cut up fine, 1 onion, and green chilies cut up fine. Now I'll put in the mashed potatoes. Salt to taste. Put little bit of saffron. And mix the mash. Potato mash is ready. Now I'll take this out and keep it aside. First of all, I will cut the bread in triangular shape. See, I've taken the bread like this, and now I will cut it this time. I will cut the bread triangular shape. After the bread is cut in triangular shape, I will get the bread stuffing ready with it. Put the stuffing in it. This way I will put the stuffing. And this I will dip in the batter and start frying. I will put the oil, let the oil turn hot. The oil is turned nice and hot. Now I am going to fry the pakoras. That is, I will dip the bread in the batter and then I will fry it. I'll fry the bread pakoras little deep. My pakoras are fried. Bread pakoras are fried. Now I'll take it out. I will carry on repeating this process over and over. My bread pakora is ready. Now I will serve it. Bread pakora is ready with tea. I prefer it with tea much better. You all can have it with sauce, chutney, anything.